Alright, what's good, everybody? So, me and my friend Axel
Hi.
are gonna be fishing for trout or anything that will bite at Francis Short Pond, and it's way overflowed. Usually the dam isn't overflowing, but right now it's overflowing, and we're hoping that we could catch a bunch of trout or something, because last time we were here we caught a bunch of trout. But yeah, so peace out. I'm gonna put you in the chest cam. Oh my Jesus. Axel, I did the same thing you did. I'm editing it out. Oh my God, I almost fell in the water, Axel. How the fluff is this gonna work out? Boys. I'm a freaking professional, Axel. We're good. I don't see no fish from up here. Get it on top, yeah. I see beer cans. Catch those.
The only thing we will be catching is your
We might get arrested, but it is a sacrifice we are willing to make.
What?
Almost getting arrested.
Well, this thing's not coming out. It's kind of pulling me down.
Oh my gosh, I almost did it again.
Oh, there's like something attacking me.
You're like, oh, there's something attacking me. Oh, that was a good one.
I don't know if that was a bite or what, but
I casted that one way back there. I don't think bass would come this far back out here.
it's like head down. Oh, yeah.
Oop, I got stuck on the grass mat for a second. You almost hooked yourself.
Oh, look, there's somebody right there. They're a little bit creepy.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Did you hear that?
I want to keep going.
I don't, I'm scared to go back there. Fuck.
I don't know where I casted it.
Axel, but did you hear that? There was a freaking blow up back there. Fuck. I'm gonna cry, Axel.
I may just put on a fly.
There we go, baby.
But the problem with the fly is that you have to watch it.
But did you hear that? That was a big fish. Oh my Jesus. I might have to walk to the... How the heck did you cast it way back there? Bro, this thing's swimming like a fish, though. Ooh, right against the wall.
You have to get. Ah!
You get so scared you think someone's chomping on your leg. I don't want to chomp. Skipping it across the water. This is America. Fuck. Alright, ready? We're about to cast this up. What are you doing, Axel?
Well, it's kind of difficult and uncomfortable.
Well, I have a freaking GoPro on my chest, so it don't even.
But this backpack weighs like 15 pounds.
This freaking GoPro weighs 90 million pounds, bro. What you mean?
So many feet.
Ah, almost fell. Oh my god.
I hope you got that thing
What?
to like blow up on camera audio. Then you could like on like when you post a video, you like blow up a 3, 2.
Or I could do this, or I could be like, or like, we almost got arrested. No. Clickbait gets the views, Axel. And the views get the money. Oh my gosh. I'm bad at this. Hold up, I'm gonna undo this because there's freaking weeds everywhere in this place, so. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought it was gonna rain. Oh, that's why. That seems legit. I believe if there was a snake, I would be out. I'd be outie 10 million, not even 10,000, Axel.
Bro, I may have a freaking 5 inch.
Jig back there. Axel, I didn't bring none of my freaking bass tackle.
I have my backpack. I have spinner baits. I have rods.
Fix this up a little bit.
Oh,
What?
oh, that's a. Oh.
You almost fell in. Axel, I think you have a problem with balance. Ah! You got a freaking weed. Oh my Jesus. Oh, you gotta go like this, Axel.
I got one. I got one. Oh shit.
Pull it up.
Oh shit.
Pull it over. Axel, walk backwards.
No, I'm trying.
You're stupid.
Bro, there's actually fish back here. Holy shit.
Alright, I'm gonna help you out. So my friend Axel hooked into a trout. Alright, give me.
I'll hook up, so suck it.
Alright. Pass the rod.
That's a nice trout.
Alright.
Wanna
Yeah,
keep
bro.
it?
Sure. Is it wild? I can't tell.
Nah. Wait, let me see. You can
Oh,
tell
you
by
just
the
hit,
tail.
you just hit me in the face.
Yeah, no, it's not because they cut off this right here.
Axel, want to tell you something I forgot?
Pliers?
No. I
A
forgot.
stringer?
Stringer.
I got you. I can make a homemade stringer. I think I have some fly fishing line.
Oh!
And if I don't, we can use a leader. Oh, that's the number one thing you're not supposed to do with trout.
Who cares? He's alright.
You want to keep it or not?
Yeah.
You do?
I'm only gonna keep one.
Looks like that's the one you're keeping. Yeah, can I get a picture of that so I can send it to Mom?
Here you go.
See, this is about a pound.
Probably like 3/4 of a pound.
3/4. Take a picture. Or yeah, you just send it to me and then I'll show Mom.
Axel, don't act like it's a freaking giant.
It is hurting my hand, so I'm just gonna. Okay, we're gonna put this back in the water. You know what I mean?
But what happens if it breaks the
It's not
line?
gonna break the line.
Bro, it's not hooked very well either. No, I got you.
Bro, they're just hiding in the weeds. That's what all they're doing.
He didn't fight that hard.
No, I have like an ultralight rod, so it looks like it's like a 3 million pound fish.
Ready? Check this out. Hold up.
I think he's dead.
No, he's not.
No. You want to let him go or no?
Yeah, he's just going. They're just going into the weeds.
He may snap my whole Lucas, but
Come on, you want a picture with it or not? Come on, make the leader. Make the freaking stringer. Come on.
let's just use one of my leaders.
Bruh, freaking trout is jumping around. Bro, look at this dude.
Bro, there's fish here.
There's fish back here, bro.
We can use this 7 pound.
Yeah, just make it work.
Gotcha. I'm just gonna have to buy a new leader, but
Man, who cares?
I have like 15 at home, so. Yo, I got the same reel and rod as you.
This is the same reel?
No, the same like rod.
This
No, I
ain't the
mean
same
reel and fly fishing.
Oh,
I like it. It's smooth. I went out to
Look.
wait,
they're just going into the weeds.
yeah. There was probably some weeds right there, and you just saw it. Here you
Just go like that. Cast them out there. All right, hold on. All right, hold on. Let me put my phone in my pocket. Oh, I just took a picture. Hold up and tighten, drag a little bit. Oh, wrong way.
Okay, I got you.
Oh, never mind. Wrong way. Hold up. Axel, come on, pick him up on shore so if you do mess up, you don't fucking lose the fish.
I actually did get him pretty good.
All right. Oh, no.
So slimy.
All right, where'd the other leader go? Oh, it's right here.
Oh, God bless America.
All right, hold up. All right, let me show you how to do it.
Ah, it's so slimy.
All right, so.
I'm gonna go catch another fish.
All right.
Oh, I actually didn't know that there's fish back here. Holy shiz.
All right.
There's a fish in Rio de Grande, guys.
Fuck. Hope he's freaking out. All right, we're gonna go like that.
How to make a DIY.
I know this is gonna be a freaking tutorial video.
Instead of a fishing video. How to make your own fishing leader.
Oh crap. Okay, hold up.
First fish.
Axel, can you grab the end of it? End of the freaking.
This one?
No, the other side. Grab the other side. No, like go to the very end. So then.
Oh yeah, and
stick
then you
the-
put that. Yeah.
All right, we're in. Fuck. We're gonna have to do some here. All right, so I have the other side of it. So. Nope, I don't have the other side of it. I don't have the other side of it. Okay, now I got the other side of it. So now we're gonna stick the line through there and go like that. And now we got a leader, a freaking thing, stringer. We're gonna tie it to this pole. But now we know there's freaking fish back here.
Holy shit. Pretty nice one too. I have to say.
Yeah.
Especially for like the Rio de Grande.
We're just gonna tie this and then cut the line when we're done. Oh, bro, this line is so, like, the end of the line,
It's so thin. Yeah.
it's really thin. Like, I just tried to tie a knot and the line snapped.
Hey, look, there's a garden.
Hey, look, there's game and fish. Just kidding. Alright, that should work. What? Hold up, what the fuck? Well, get undone? No. Alright, I'm coming over here. I'm gonna get my pole and I'm gonna switch over to the trout magnet. Yeah, there was a little one, bro. Did you see him? Yeah, because the water's warming up. Yeah. Let's use it. Camera's still recording. Yeah. Yeah, I have 2 batteries. And so I charged this one up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, buddies. So, Axel, I just poured half of my freaking box of just like little jigs and stuff out on the grass. Who needs beads, you know? Okay, bam. Alright. Now I just need to tie this on. Actually, I'm gonna use the bigger jig head on it. I didn't hear it. Just like that, huh?
The first one was way bigger.
The first one was crazy.
That had to be at least like 3 times the size of that one. Make this
God dang it. Yeah, grass mats. Actually, you let go of the pole. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so my battery died after fishing for like 2 hours, and I lost a lot of footage, but I still have that amount of footage, but be looking forward to this weekend because there's gonna be either 3 or 1 very long video coming out. We're gonna be going to Topop Marsh, and it's really close to Lake Havasu. So yeah, so like, subscribe, do all that stuff, comment below, hit the bell, all that. Alright, peace out, guys.